Sports Tuesday. A first championship medal for sprint hurdler Ronald Levy was one of two gold medals for Jamaica on day 7 of the 2018 Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Australia on Tuesday. Jordan Ford reports.
Watch for half early, gets a clean start. Alcana beaten out early by Levy. Parchment, Posy right there. Braithwaite having a good run at the moment. Levy just in front of Parchment. It looks like Jamaica. Hutt's having a very good run. It is Jamaica. Levy gets it from Parchment, and Hutt is pretty close.
And with that, Jamaican Ronald Levy became the country's first gold medalist at the 2018 Commonwealth Games in Australia and secured his first senior championship success. Olympic bronze medalist Hansel Parchment got silver in 13.22 seconds, while reigning world under-18 champion Dejour Russell finished 8th with 13.92 in his senior championship debut. And one gold medal became two in a matter of minutes as Kimberly Williams defended her triple jump title in spectacular fashion. Williams snatched the gold from her countrywoman Shanika Thomas-Ricketts with her final attempt after leaping a personal best 14.64 meters, with Ricketts taking silver after a best effort of 14.52 meters to secure a second 1-2 on the day for Jamaica. And the black, green and gold added more silverware in the penultimate event on Tuesday as Olympic relay silver medalist Javon Francis got his first individual piece of silverware with a season's best 45.11 seconds for bronze in the 400 meters. Gold went to Isaac Makwala of Botswana in 44.35, with his teammate Babaloke Tebe taking silver in 45.09. The results take Jamaica's overall medal tally to 9, comprising 2 gold, 4 silver and 3 bronze. Jamaica will have more chances to add to its medal tally in athletics, with defending champion Stephanie McPherson set to be joined by Anastasia Leroy in the women's 400-meter final at 6:45 a.m. Jamaica time on Wednesday. 2 other Jamaicans in Damar Forbes and Tajay Gale will make appearances in the men's long jump final, which gets going at 5:32 a.m. 6 other Jamaicans will be in action on Wednesday, led by Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson, who will be joined by Shashali Forbes and Sharika Jackson in the 200-meter semi-finals, which gets going at 5:10 a.m. Jamaica time. Another defending champion in Rashid Dwyer will go in the men's half-lap event and will be joined by Olympic bronze medalist Warren Weir and Kenroy Anderson. That event runs off at 5:50 in the morning. Jordan Ford for TVJ Sports.
Thank you, Jordan. National flag bearer and swimmer Alia Atkinson has left the Jamaican village at the Commonwealth Games after completing her 3 events. Atkinson, who won silver in the 50 meters breaststroke, says there is still work to be done and the Commonwealth Games was a stepping stone for what's ahead.
Next year we'll have Pan American Games and Worlds. So what I'm looking for now is to use this Commonwealth Games as the starting point. So I will not be slower than this, basically. So that's my mentality going into it, and then we're just going to keep on cutting down until we can get to where I need it to be.
Meanwhile, sprinter Johan Blake says Coach Glenn Mills is very disappointed with his 3rd place finish in the men's 100 meters final. According to Blake, Mills believes he is making the same mistakes over and over again.
The main problem was my start, because apart from that, I could have covered the race if I did get my start together, and I didn't get it together. But that's the one he has been concerned about all season. He say he think I was too low, that I was stumbling. So you have to probably elevate my block some more. And I'm just looking forward to go back home and focus on the Diamond Leagues to come.
Badminton has lost out at the team level, but team manager Antonio Bell says there is better to come in the individual singles.
My major objective for the badminton team we didn't achieve. However, I'm not disappointed. I wanted at least to get out of the round, and we came this close. We played very strong teams in the form of Singapore and Mauritius. And the Mauritius tie could have gone anyway. 3 of those games went to 3 sets, and that's where we faltered.